Jeff says, hey guys, just took on a new client that wants to build a large e-commerce site that functions as a deals marketplace where they add products and people contact to get pricing and other info. The client also wants SEO, etc. Going forward. I'm thinking to add appropriate categories in sometime like ecwid and add all the products with onpage, etc. However, the problem is the client will be adding and deleting lots of products, so they come and go in a short space of time. So not sure if it's worth optimizing all the on-page for each product. Yeah, I wouldn't either. How would you approach the SEO part of this to prevent tons of 404s and getting a drive stack, etc.? Would you direct links to categories? Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say. Look, I don't do e-com, so I can't provide a lot of guidance on that, guys, or really any guidance, except for that I know from just talking with others that do this kind of stuff, like focus on categories always. Because if you do a lot of SEO to the categories, then the products within that categories will oftentimes rank because you've really powered up those categories. And in a situation like what you're talking about, where there's going to be a lot of updates and changing of products and swapping things in and out, just focus a lot on the categories. And you can do the same thing with the drive stack, right? You build you mirror, right? Theme mirror, content mirror, theme mirror, the category pages into the drive stack, right? And then you power up those category pages both on the drive stack and the money site. And then that way, anytime that any of those products that are placed within the categories that you've done a lot of SEO to are going to benefit from that, even if they're short-lived products, if that makes sense. And again, I can't really provide any more guidance than that, just because I don't do e-com SEO and I really have no desire to do it. But I do know that that's where I would focus my attention and energy if I was to do it. It would be on the the brand itself and in the product categories. Okay.